With Mobile World Congress only a couple of days away, LG has reported the 2018 versions of its K10 and K8 spending plan well disposed cell phones. The organization's entrance-level mobile phone lineup picks up an aggregate of 4 new models and varieties, all of which we hope to find face-to-face at the current year's MWC Expo. Plan savvy, the most recent LG K8 and K10 models will look entirely like a year ago's K-arrangement telephones, with plastic on the back and glass on the front, upheld by metal casings on the sides. The shading alternatives will be revived, however accessibility will fluctuate. Presently, we should discuss the specs.